Make sure the cable is lined up with when you stick your arm out. So this cable we got to bring down a notch. Grab the cable, get in the center of the machine. Stick your arms out nice and wide. Feet, hip, knee, ankle all lined up. Bend those knees. Abs tight, chest up, shoulders down. Turn your hands out all the way. Make sure those elbows are pointed at the floor. If they're pointed back, you're not going to be able to curl right, and if they're pointed forward. So throughout the set, you keep those elbows down. Bring your palms as close to your ears as you can. Squeeze those biceps so you can see how hard they're working. Breathe in on the way out. Blow out on the way in. Don't sway your arms back and forth, even at the end of the set. When the end of the set gets really hard, your arm's going to be moving back and forth. You got to fight. You got to keep it strong so you hit that bicep. If not, the reps that we need are not going to matter because you're going to be moving your arms around. Keep it nice and solid so it matters that it hits that bicep nice and strong. Look at his wrists. They're not moving around. He's keeping his wrists straight. Come down right before locking. If you go too far, it's going to take pressure off the bicep. That's not what we want. We want pressure always on that bicep.